How to arrange Zoom meeting. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Zoom on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Here, you will then see the option for schedule. So tap on the schedule option and you will now be required to go ahead and fill in the required information. So start by entering your meeting's name followed by your meeting's date and then enter your meeting start time and the meeting end time. You can then choose if you want to repeat your meeting or not by simply tapping on the drop down you see there. Additionally, go ahead and add in the meeting invitees and then go ahead and choose your meeting ID as per your preference. You can then tap on the create agenda option you see there in order to create your meeting agenda, and you can also add in attachments if required. Also, you can go ahead and set your meeting security and enable or disable the waiting room as per your preference, and you can then go ahead and choose for your encryption. You can also choose your meeting summary template, so go ahead and choose your preferred option. Additionally, you can choose your notes and your meeting chat, and you can also choose if you want the video of the host and the participant to be enabled or disabled, and similar goes for the audio. You can also choose for your calendar and set which kind of calendar you want. You can then tap on the advanced option in order to make any other changes to your meeting that you are trying to schedule. Once you are done making the changes, simply tap on the save option you see there, and with this, as you can see, your meeting has been scheduled on Google Calendar. So this was about how you can arrange a meeting on Zoom. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.